Guys, I put a battery on charge for this thing the other day, and I'm now going to see whether this battery was any good. There you go. Raffle said to me that I think it was about putting in some sort of distilled water to this battery. But that's a sealed unit. You can see the water. Right. It's kind of hard to do this with a multimeter. But you can just stick that round. That's 20 volts. Right. The black in there. Yeah. That's like taking out 14 volts. What you do with that is you set that to 20 volts, right? And that's it, that's right. That's just to show the alternator charging. Just you're taking out 14 volts. Right, now, I'll show you. This is that broken one. First turn the accused. But I knew it wasn't an old battery, yeah. I mean, it wasn't an old battery, it was still in warranty, so still in warranty, so everything is good there. Excuse me. I'll show you again. There we go. I know it's a short one today, guys, but there's not much I could do. I've got another set of wipers in the house to change for this car. Like, that one's a bit naff. There is a set of wipers in the house for it. It's missing half the screen up there, so we'll take it from there. Right, we'll see you all on the next one.